Hey guys, it's John and Morgan here with Longhaul Lifesavers. We're going to do another unboxing today. Today we have the Rode microphone. So let's go ahead and open it up and get into it. Okay guys, we got everything out of the box, so let's kind of go over this piece by piece. First we'll touch on the box. Everything was packaged in this plastic shell. It's a two-side plastic shell. Everything was pretty sturdy in there. I shook it around a little bit to see if there was going to be any kind of damage in transit. I didn't notice anything shifting around besides the cable to plug it into your phone, so really that's not going to be damaged unless one of these probes breaks off, but I don't see that happening in transit. Other than that, there wasn't a whole lot of packaging in it. The box is empty. As far as the box goes, I didn't see any kind of warranty specified on here. Says no battery required, compact size, and it has a suspension mount, which is this piece right here. So this piece can slide into a DSLR camera, or this screw can be removed with an Allen wrench. The packaging did not come with an Allen wrench, so as long as you have your own, you should be able to take this off and screw this into any kind of gimbal that has a side port attachment. Next, we just have basic instructions. It's kind of just pictures, walkthrough instructions. Then we have both the power source and the audio source for this. Plugs into the back of the metal housing here and then plugs into your audio jack on the phone. Pretty straightforward stuff here. The microphone itself, the actual housing is aluminum, pretty solid. It says made in Australia on the side. No batteries required, like I said, just plugs into the port here and then plugs into your audio jack. It does have a windsock on it, and it is removable as well, so if you feel like you're getting a little bit of distortion from the windsock, you can remove it. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date on all the videos we'll post. Also, don't forget to head over to Instagram and like us there at Longhaul Lifesavers as well.